I'm going to show a model of the technique worked examples. If you're experiencing problems such as students don't seem to pick up how to solve problems even though I'm showing it to them, then this technique could be for you. Remember, you can copy the model you see, but you might want to adapt it for your context. If you do adapt it, try to stay true to the features that we think make it effective. These are: break the process down into steps, make each step visible and explain the thinking needed to do it, and make sure students have access to the worked example for support. As this is a planning technique, I'm going to model my thought process. I'm teaching students how to find density, mass and volume. I break the process down into steps and I make sure these are visible and explained. The problem that we are going to tackle is finding the density of a block that has a mass of 50 grams and a volume of 10 cubic centimetres. Step 1 on the board. I'll explain that the formula is density is mass divided by volume. The formula tells us how much is packed into a given volume. Step 2, I plug in the values. We substitute in the given values. Mass is 50 grams and volume is 10 cubic centimetres. We've been given the mass and the volume, so we need to substitute these in. Step 3 is to calculate the density. We're going to perform the division 50 grams divided by 10 cubic centimetres. This leaves us with 5 grams per cubic centimetre. And that is our final answer. I'll explain that this means that each cubic centimetre has a mass of 5 grams. I will keep these steps visible to students as they tackle other similar problems.